What's going on, everybody? I am that driving guy, and my office gets me where I'm going. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and hit all. That way, you're notified every time I drop a video. And don't forget to check out the description box for some items that could probably help you while you're out there dashing. All right, so this video is about customer service part of this dashing thing, this gig work. Providing a good customer experience is very important. See, because when you don't, it affects all of the other dashers and it affects Doordash. And not to mention the restaurants, and I'm going to explain. So, first and foremost, the customer is the most important part of this equation. The customer makes all of this go around. DoorDash's goal is to keep the customers happy. The restaurant's goal is to keep the customers happy. So it would make sense that it would be our priority to make the customers happy as well. I know we out here getting money and all of that. I feel you. However, you would not be able to be out there getting money, at least not with DoorDash, you know what I mean, if it wasn't for the customer. So you have to put them first, even before yourself. If you think logically, you're going to get your money. If you have a plan, you have goals, all that, you're going to get your money. You know what I mean? But if you accept an order, you have to be willing to treat every single customer the same, regardless of whatever the situation is. You have to treat every customer the same. Because if you give the customer a bad experience, that customer could probably say, you know what, I've had bad experiences with DoorDash. I'm not dealing with them. So now that's a customer that is no longer on DoorDash. That affects other dashers as well because now they losing the customer also. The customer is looking at DoorDash like, it's a crap company and it has crap people working for them. And that's definitely not all of us as dashers. Definitely not. And your poor customer service, it can get you banned from restaurants because the merchants in these restaurants, they are able to rate you as well, able to get you banned from their location if it's something that is severe. I mean, I've seen videos, I don't know how real the videos are, but I've seen videos and read articles about all kinds of crazy stuff that people are doing. And it's like, you're a representation of yourself because it's your business, but you're on another company's platform. So, in a way, you do represent them as well, right? So, you're giving them a bad name and causing customers to leave the platform, and we are losing money. Some dashers feel like, well, if they can order food, if they have enough money to order food, then they have enough money to tip. That's not true. They may not have enough money to tip. So you still have to remain professional. You have to keep that professionalism because that's going to hurt all of us in the long run. And I like getting DoorDash money. You know what I mean? I don't want things to change. I don't want to be losing out on money because people are doing crazy things that should not be done. You know, you have to respect the customer. You have to respect the restaurants because they can stop you from getting money. You have to respect your business, you know, and appreciate, at least give some respect to the other dashers and think about that when you're out there. It's not all about us as individuals. I know we out here trying to get this money, and we get upset, or some people may get upset about the crap orders that they may get and the long waits and things of that nature, but that's part of running the business. You know, you still have to remain professional. As long as you're going to be doing it, you still have to have that, because it's going to affect a lot of things in the long run. So I hope that there was some value in that, and as always, I appreciate y'all. And until next time, I'm a holler.